Good morning to the members of the Baltimore County Police Department. The World Health Organization has declared COVID-19, commonly referred to as the coronavirus, a pandemic. Baltimore County recently confirmed its first case in our jurisdiction. I want you to know that the entire Executive Corps and I are committed to your health and wellness and to the safety of you and your families. As such, I have been and will remain in constant contact with this agency's commanders as well as with fellow county government concerning our response to the coronavirus pandemic. We have held multiple calls 2 times daily with our entire Executive Corps leadership team, and we will continue to hold those calls as well as multiple meetings with our recently stood up incident management team for continuous efforts to ensure that our response to this incident will keep you as safe as possible. We are having up-to-the-minute conversations and making decisions on a daily basis in an effort to get ahead of this should the situation worsen in Baltimore County. We have already implemented additional questioning from 911 call takers in response to medical emergencies to screen for coronavirus symptoms in Baltimore County's 911 Communications Center. I have been brought up to speed on many of your concerns, and we are in the process of responding to them. I know that you are concerned about responding to certain calls for service at certain locations. I also know that you have concerns about attending public meetings in certain locations. And further, I realize that there are concerns about the cleanliness of your workspaces. We are already initiating some responses with plans in the works for others to be implemented. I am currently assessing our supply of cleaning agents, soap, hand sanitizer, and other critical pieces of equipment as we are already working to get additional supplies. I have already ordered fresh supplies for PPE kits, and we are in the process of working to get an additional 2,000 kits to this agency as quickly as possible. You will be updated when those kits are received, and we will immediately begin to push those kits out into the field. We are also working on messaging to the public to push them further towards online reporting. Further, we are moving towards reinstating a variation of telephone reporting in order to take other calls for service that we can keep you from going to, that we can push towards telephone reporting. There will be a follow-up on that soon. I need your help to keep all of us as safe and healthy as possible. Please clean your workstations, keep your hand sanitizer with you, and clean the steering wheels of your cars. Clean your KDTs. Take the time to clean your radios, your computers, and utilize disinfectant wipes and solutions that we are providing. Most importantly, wash your hands frequently and wash them for at least 20 seconds scrubbing with soap and water. Please continue to look out for yourselves by having your PPE kits fully stocked and immediately available with you at all times. Expect that supervisors will be conducting inspections of that equipment on a daily basis. And for those of you who work in plainclothes assignments, please have a complete uniform immediately available to you at the site that you work. Supervisors will also be asked to check and inspect those items. They are doing it at my request to ensure that we are as prepared as possible. This is all being done in an abundance of caution. It is critically important for you to know that we are prepared in the event that this situation escalates. It is also important for you to know that I am making a commitment to each of you that we will continue to communicate with you. It'll be done through video messaging, through emails, and through other information that our PIO sends out. If you have any questions that you feel are not getting answered, please either reach out to my office, reach out to my email address at chiefbcopd@baltimorecountymd.gov, or find someone on the Executive Corps and ask them a question which will get to me if they are unable to answer it. I thank you again for your commitment to the citizens of Baltimore County. And again, we will get through this. We do not need to panic, but we do need to be prepared. Stay safe out there, back each other up, and thank you again.